understand my point. It's not that I'm excluding Peter. Peter is there as the president. That's what Malawi has chosen. He chose him, yes. But did you understand what he told us? We need to change our mindset. Because he knew he's going to be part of criminals. And it's going to be hard for him to be acting like the way we are talking now. He can't act because Malawians were sleeping. Because those criminals, when they do whatever they want to do, they get away with it. Malawians, we just sitting. All we know is a sima, Zokhudza. What do you do for 24 hours? That was my point. I'm not excluding Peter as the president, no.
Thank you so much, Mom, for your contribution. Very elaborate. And thank you so much for Peter for clarifying your point. All the points from Muhammad, from Mom, and from Pido have been brilliant. I'm grateful. I can never be so grateful. Enough grateful, if I can say. Yeah, Muhammad, before you come, I'll give you a platform. I'll give you a chance. King, do you want to say anything? We have one more who has come up. King, if you have something that you want to say, I would love to hear from you.
All right. First thing first, good morning to you, Council. I hope you're doing right.
I am, thank you.
And everybody on the panel. My sister, Pido, you're on fire. But me, I've been, I think yesterday we had a conversation, me and my wife here. We had a conversation. The conversation was, my wife asked me, my husband, do you know any reason why Mr. Namiwa has been arrested? So I was like, you know what, you ask my mind, I'm trying to contemplate why, because we see Namiwa like one of a big fish, because the guy, whenever he sees things, he call it by the name. Now, what is happening? Now, in the country like us, Malawi, we claim to say we fear God, and we always used the name of God in this savage way. And it's so surprising to say the people that they fear God, they are doing the opposite what God wants them to do. Now, for instance, let's take Mr. Namiwa. What Mr. Namiwa did was to ukodola pashoda kuti izoma mukuchitazi izisiza bwino. Easy mupange chonchi. Now, in the Bible, if you read the book of Galatians chapter 4, verse 16, it says, Am I therefore becoming your enemy because I tell you the truth? Am I becoming your enemy just because I open up my mouth and I tell you the truth to say, don't do this, don't do that, don't do that? Am I becoming your enemy?
Yeah.
Now, what is happening? As in the president is a father. Ndipeleka chisazo nyumba mwako ngati mbambo ngati simukukhala ma order. You don't blame mwana, you don't blame the wife, you don't blame the whosoever. You blame the leader of the house, which is the father. Now, in the Bible, if you go to the book of Proverbs chapter 29 verse 12, I just want to read this because they claim to take this Bible and swear to say they're gonna follow it. But if you look using the verse in Bible, so verse 12 of the Proverbs, if a ruler, now in this circumstance, a ruler now, it's our leader, which is Professor Arthur Mutalika. So he said, if a ruler hearken to lies, always, you're a leader, but you always listen to mabodza, akwera awafuna oneke agula, mene mkunazo di madai hadiwa, akunamiza. Now, if a ruler hearken to lies and all his servants are wicked. Now, what happened whenever you are a leader, kumano ungonvesera kumabodza, and you're not using your brain to act. Chisale abwera ichi, ayamfula. Amukito abwera ichi, ayamfula. Wina ayamfula. You are not deciding. What happened? The people that you choose to be in your office or to help you, they become more wicked because you are the number one wicked. You're like your father of the wicked. Though you want to pretend to be like good or whatever, you can't be mixing good and the bad. These things is imateka. You cannot say I'm good at the same time I'm bad. If you're oipa, that's a seed. So what is happening here is a president. Now they are not doing what they're supposed to be done. Because in other way, chitaonera zoti dziko linawo akulamulira si a president omwe ife tikwadza kuti amadziwa malamulo analumbira zomwe analumbira akuchita za opposite komwe zomwe analumbira anakhala atopa anakapasa anthu oyenderera ngati amene anasankha a vice president kupitiriza because the vice president is able, she is strong, right? Kumano akulola anthu omwe aja abodza aja akuwayesa abodza akuwayesa and this end results now zabwera khala ngati zoyipa zija zomwe zikupangidwa prompt. Now Chisale akhala kwenda ndi Bible taona koma mwafusa Chisale when last he have done exactly what is written in the same Bible that he have been holding since. Never. So he's coming now akwesa ka sentiment ajimwa anthu athu and muzaone anthu athu, pay attention to anthu athu. My comment section, whenever Mr. Alexious come to tell you to say, okay, I'm not saying I won't just die for you all, but I'm just giving you information. Pay attention to the comment section. You are a fool. You are jisiru. You are jealous. Why? Because speed kaja kazitsiru the wicked, the stupid kakubwera cause amabwera uta inanita kuba ndikapita kwathu kwa baraka ukagula njinga kuwapasa mafumu ndikuwapasa sima. It's fine ene sino sokuba wazitsuka weka. Kuma is that normal that we can sit down and be clapping hands just because somebody wakugulira njinga? It's not okay. So people, we have to know. It's either Chisale unoze dziko dziko soloma mulungu ndi satana amene akuliyendesa dziko. Nevertheless, let's stop pretending of say we are the God-fearing nation. There's nothing like fearing nation in Malawi because this is I'm telling you, this is really bad and so saddening. And our people, we have fear. Well, I'll give you a good example. Council. I'm going to use myself as an exemplary. In 2025, I was arrested in one of the police station. This community is it by 6 miles here? Is it Chisime? The only reason was me to reject to sign something that I was told to sign before I read it. I said, give me time to read and understand what I'm signing. The end results, they start beating me. The next thing, I was put in the cell. You understand that? Yeah. Myself. Now, is it that normal? Are these police okay that they saw as a protect Malamu? So because of Zimambira police, kuma police just Zimambira the station, Zimambira come kwa Ruhanga. You see Ruhanga, wauzidwa, ndindani, amukito ndi anzao. Now you are what got my Zimango Bwera. Now Aruhanga Kapangajani. But station yomwe wapita ndani uyu Namiwa akauza you a station officer angalukufuna ndindoako panga zomwe ndikukuzaini zinthu zomwe zija singopitirira in the sense mukapeza zona zoti anthu amene amalifunira dziko lino zabwino amakhala zitsiru they become voiceless, they become stupid, they become attention seeker, they become content creators as the whole we see, which is very bad. But if we stand up to say, okay, let's take this once and for all, me I just have to agree, which is my landing point. Kodi a president atu, ngati alidi a president, ngati akupuma, ngati alidi, why can't he call for meeting here at nkhani? And you know, Sango Bwera is my sniper, as my sniper, I'm at the pass higher president, I've been a private visit, Kenavango Tonesa, upon a step here, Bwera Mundega Bwera. Ngati ali president abwere atiyankhule public because it's what this previous government he was claiming. So okay, ajabwera samabwera banga address the nation. So where is he now? Let he come to address the nation because we are the people that elected him. Which in him we had hope. So our hope we lose. Why? Because he's not doing exactly even the same thing that he was campaigning. So are we saying that he stood to protect the criminals? Is what he is. He is what he want to go retire and known in the history to say Peter and last time and just only his comeback is to take the power to give it to the criminal. Because that's what is happening. Because the countries have been ruled by the criminal cartel, the ruthless people. Chisale is so proudly and is very stupid. Very proud and very stupid. And Amakira Oneka Sumina Maumbuni, the Monenas Jakasu, and to afford in the Amango Muganazo, Alimenas even discipline, Amango Pangabo, and people bow down just because Agabena Musico. They will give you Kadima 1,000, the Kadima 2,000, and with clapping hands. Now, journalism. And how South Africa, for example, we want to fix our country. Kodi ifeso, Kodi sitingabereko, we can't do all of the sense, because ngati mutu dziko ndi anthu, ngati lamulo lathu manena zoti ife timapereka mphamvu kwa anthu amene tikuwasankha. Why can't we just stand to say, enough is enough. Let us fix our country. But instead of fixing, now we turn it to be stupid who just criticize without thinking. You comment before you read. That's what you people do. You come to the post and say, is this person commenting? You just comment for the sake of commenting. It's like Mafonio are in the wrong hands. Without brain. People were walking without brain. Dead zombies. That's what is happening. So in times like this, we could have to stand. The people that were on the ground here, especially here in Bilongo, we have to stand to say, hey, remember, there's section 12. I don't know, some of these our people, they do have a time Kumawerenga constitution. Section 12, okay, fine. If you just wanted to ask, why do you arrest Namiwa for telling you what you are doing? Now you're arresting him and you say we have to trust police. We have to trust our court. We have to trust the president. We have to trust the minister. We have to say that we are safe in this country. No way. Until that, we are doomed. Wow. Trust you, we are doomed. If you're not standing up as in Malawi and to say, we need to hold you people accountable. We are doomed. There's nothing like MCP, DPP. It's like all these things, they are just all together. That's it, what is happening here. And I'm mad and I'm sad to see whenever someone, a brother is coming to show you light, now you're calling a brother, you're calling a brother names. You are stupid, you are attention seeker, you are jealousy. Now let me give a good example. I give example, Precious Nabatingo. It has been one of the guys that I met during my the time I've worked with him. Now, the time where he started this thing to say is raising money. Okay, that's a good idea to raise money. But now, when he said, let us contribute, fairly with my little finding, I contributed to the money, whatever that I did. Now, the moment he just came to say, hey, Mr. Nasu, is it you call Nasu, Masu? Monsu, Karim. Bakiri Muluzi, I better chip in with some billion. I was like, yo, this guy is not clean. This guy is not clean. I'm telling you, now I come to say, okay, did I just took my money and mixed my money where the money it's not even. I regret it that I did it. Yeah. But now see people, what do? Are you helping people? It's not about the help, but where the help is coming from is the problem. Well. You need to open up your eyes. It's not like we are against Namadingo, but we are against the act or the associate of this guy, not the Namadingo as in a person. We don't have any problem with him. But if Namadingo is coming, he say, okay, I'm helping. But he know exactly where he's getting the help. And the help is coming from your own money. And you say it's help. That's not help. That's not help. But people, what they do, you hate Namadingo, you hate Masu, you hate... What you hate? That's why you find this prophet, they are stealing your money, and whenever you don't have money, they tell you pray to God will give you. That's why you people that you do. Very stupid. Very stupid.
King LJ.
King LJ. That, we have people who are in position and you see people they can't see the big picture. Very idiotic, very stupid people that we do have as in a country. And it makes me sick. It makes me sad. Last verse that I want to give to say, to you, my brother, Council, when you read the book of Amos, chapter 5, let me just get there. I just want to encourage you with this. Don't stop, because it's not the first one. Remember Christ? Christ never came to say, love me, love me. Christ was hated just because he was spreading the fact. Don't expect whenever you come here to tell the truth to say people are going to love you. Here's what the Bible says. It says in Amos. Let me just go read it. I don't want to just...
No, take your time, LJ. Mango funa kuti mukamamaliza nso mutuuze kuti akazi anu munayankha kujani. Fana fusa unena kuti kodi Namiwa amanga ifajani. Kuma I think in your explanation mwatiyankha kuti mwafotokoza, but also mwapase moni madamu kunyumbako. For kuoneka kuti he knows how to pop you so that then you can show your fire. So I'm excited for your marriage, for your family, and may God bless your family as well. I'm waiting for you whenever you're ready to read the book.
Thank you so much,
Amos.
Yeah, I'm married to a revolutionary woman. I know if I die, we are the food for soldiers of this family. We don't raise fools here. We hold people accountable. Even like there's an issue that I'm about even to bring to Pido. that happened to my family. Because me, I don't believe that just because you are my blood and you do stupid things, you feel like I love to you. I'm gonna call it off. I just wanted to change my space because I know it's my people. If I just bring this, my people can analyze me. I'm telling you, I'm on the public. I don't care. But this thing, I just want to move. Wherever I know that I'm gonna go. I think even council, you're gonna know this issue because it's very stupid to see things happening in front of your eyes without calling it. Because if you don't see things, if you see things and you don't call it, you become the part of it. Okay. Now, what I'm trying to say is, the book of Amos, chapter 5, verse 10, it says, which I want to encourage Pedro, I want to encourage you, council. No matter how much the force that, it's coming towards you guys, always remember, you are not the first one. Christ is one of the revolutionary ever walked on the face of the earth, but people, they don't know. Here's what Christ first, and you're supposed to first the same. Amos 5, verse 10, it says, they hate him that rebuke in the gates. They do hate him that rebuke in the gates. Gates is the metaphor. Now it goes into whatever you do. You say Kodi chinyengo. These are the gates. These are the department. You are trying to kusadabuza mwana uli wose and aone. Now the end result is that people they hate. So who hates? These are the people that they are not emancipated because they are still sleeping. They are still in that shackle to say, so long as Chisale we are fine. These are the type of people. So long as Bushiru Wabwera, it's a charity. So long as Namadingo, it's fine. These are the people who are going to hate you, and these people, they can analyze you because they support this stupidity because they're like in the shackle, they're in the spell. So they can hate you, they can say anything, they can sway on you. And you wonder, what have I done for me to get this kind of energy? Why? Because these people, they are in spell. So he said they hate him that rebuke in the gate, and they abhor him that speaketh uprightly. So, Mr. Counsel, you are one of the, I don't know if I can use, if we talk about the real prophecy, you should be one of the prophets that is in our time, because you are giving warning. Trust to me, even if they say they are fearing God, whatever, I don't give a damn about fearing whatsoever that they do fear. If you say you didn't fear God, you could listen to God. God does not come by himself. God sent people before he bring the distraction. So God is bringing Alexious to you to give you warning. Watch out. Be warned. Take heed. Take heed. And you people, you're just there. You hate, you just, why you are doing that, why you are far, you are in there. Can you come be on the gun? Okay, you that you're on gun, what are you doing? Are you that stupid? You that you're in gun, what are you doing? Are you that dumb? So, all I can tell you, some of us, we feel pain because me, I'm that person that I feel like oppressing my own people, it makes me mad. I cannot sit down and see my people. My people talk about us being oppressed. That thing makes me sick to my bone. So, whosoever listen to whatever listen, you need muzizu guguda. Ajisale muzigugude pantima. Amukito muzigugude pantima. Whosoever, apita, agetudi. Aliese muzigugude muntima. Is this thing that you accepted the office that people gave you to do? Is this the right thing that you are doing? From there, you're going to be haunted. Nevertheless, you're going to be haunted because it's better if you're good as you just... Because you're oppressing the people that they are not even... I'm telling you, it's either God...
King, let me tell you, they call themselves that they are from a God-fearing country. The wages of sin is death. As much as I know Alex is against his Zokhudza, but they are prospering. If I'm just a much, I mean, 100 million. Because the wages of sin is death.
Well, the King LJ, thank you, Pedro. King LJ, per Facebook, or Dindan for Facebook, because people are asking, good Dindan on Facebook.
That's Lincoln Kujala, that's my name. So and I've tagged you, my brother. So Lincoln Kujala.
Per Facebook, Ndiwenda?
Lincoln Kujala, let me just type it up down there.
Lincoln. Okay, so yeah, people are asking. So Those that are on Facebook were asking, that's King LJ, ndeno ale mbayeka muta kumpanga follow, so that you can be following him and whatever he says. Thank you so much, King. Just conclude. I think you were not concluding. Then
so yeah, let me just my point is, you know, whenever someone is coming to you to call you to say, hey brother, wash out, isima kala head. We love Chisale as a brother. We love Mukito as an elder brother. We love Peter Mtalika as a father, which is an elderly brother. Guess what? When we say, Peter, do this, we are not saying we are heading Mr. Peter. It's the same time why Achakwera. Achakwera, do this. We say like we're not heading Achakwera. Achakwera as a person, we love the person. But whenever you are involving yourself with this manyagawa, trust you me, some of us will go for call. Trust you me, we go for call. It's just that maybe some in any manera zoti nima muza pido umkweza bwerezo nena zoti ineyo nima zalagago nena zoti. I just have to have a platform where I will invite people, and the moment I find people, allow me to ask the question, and I mean akufuna zona zoti asanke fusanya muke azibita. Because it doesn't make sense if I invite you and I'm asking you a question and you say, let's not do that. No, we are doing it for people. I wish one day God grant my wish. But I'll do that, because as much as we speak out, guess what? I have my children. In Enda Kalagari, I'm running to 40 right now. Now, if I'm not preparing for my children they are the one to be suffering. In Enda my children will be suffering. So if you love your people, it has to start with you. Stop this rubbish of not man. Let's not turn everything into content. I don't know. And I'm disappointed. I think I spend Malawi says it. I think just you Malawi. I'm a bang. I'm a squad. I'm a funa. I need to get the my follower. That's not good. Let's get serious issue on it, and the makazono is serious. So nevertheless, to you sir, I wish you all the best. May you live longer, because you are the fun. I always tell people, I cannot spend a day without listening to what Council Alexious says. You, and there's a time where is it Kenan was a bit of say, but nowadays I kind of just maybe involved himself with this the cartel, or just because of the money of transaction. I don't know, but we need him back. We need him back, because like we say, we are blaming president because you see we are blaming president Mutali Efwayan as associated with Zimbabwe, right? So same as Onerani. Okay, how do you receive money from cartels like Mosu? And you say you are helping. So we need him back. But nevertheless, thank you so much for giving me a chance on platform. I'm seeing a lot of friend requests on my Facebook. I don't know what's happening.
You know what's happening. Anyway, before Bayete comes, then Pido can conclude. Please be brief, Pido. Zambi tukuzua kale meno maganizila, and we know your position, and you were already close as I am class, so we have spoken enough. So usas pressure, you conclude, and then we close. But I wanted to comment something that King LJ said, which is important. That every time that I call out Patience Namadingo, Kodi, Patience Namadingo is part of the cartel. Patience Namadingo has been a laundry. He has been washing money for Ajina Karim for years. He was washing money for cleaning the character, Faces Out, and all those Ajina Pinganjia Tom. Menama Banga FDH Bank Muja Mama. And he has made a lot of money through that, where he cleans money for these people. This is why, when he decided to say, Nduguyambisa fund, you South Africa, you should never underestimate the importance of us to reflect. Could go down to Mabita of South Africa if I go down to Malawi, Mabita of South Africa if I find it to cinema about some opportunities. People don't have, so you should never lose that side. Hey, Kamangila, I'm giving you a solution to malaria. Sindu kubanga deal with your headache. Kapena kuzizira wanu kubasani top. Wata jina na madingo jina mabanga. Ama kusia nini malungwano aja. Numa kubasani chijuzi. Valanchi juzi. Inumane na madingo akutandiza na madingo kaya uya uta. Chijuzi just ingatese malungu kaya. Mugwenda mumwe kwinini. Mugwenda mumwe la. La ujama kudwalisa ama onenga ngatuduwa dwa muntu kufutika kuma umapezeka in the end umabanga hiyo. It's very painful. It's a painful process. So, even though they're giving you a solution, but that's not a solution, because in fact Ndalama zimene akupasani kuti muchokere ku South Africa mbwere kuno ndi ndalama zimene akuberani ka awo nongeza zimene zakupangisa kuti muzipita because ina madingo uja. When you are somebody ndino ngati muli anthu anzeru kuti maganiza. He smells cartel throughout. Let me give you an example. When you rose up with ndipangerezi South Africa, ndalama za anthu ku South Africa, who gives them space kuti akhale ndi chimatijana akuti room yawo ine amapangira zinthu zawo? Amalis Hotel. What is Amalis Hotel? Amalis Hotel, we are struggling on Amalis Hotel kuti yabandalama ndi guys ajani the pension fund. Ndalama zokwana 90 billion. Ndamene athamanga kwa mutenga na madingoja kuti abwe itauka kuti idea image inali ya guys aja. Na madingoja ali panchito amene japo he has been employed by those people. Unaona ndana madingo kupanga fundraise na madingo. No, he's not. He's doing work. He's akukira ntchito amene jabo yakateo kupanga clean zina la Amalis. Amalis has to be associated with helping Malawians because akubera 90 billion. Drama zimene apange spend zingokhala mwina 100 million. Mwina zina so mupanga contribute ndinuyo. Na madingo within 3 days wapanga raise 30 million. Inu. You should do muyangane system imene maendera. So vurage antwena sumaona zinthu sumaganiza. Tikakuyanganira tikakuganizira ndikupasana kuti this is what upanga sanje. Iweyo banje wasapanga raise ndala. Zabwino zako za clean zili kuti. Ine sindingapanga raise ngati 30 million within 3 days. Chifukwa chonena kuti ndilibe cartel. Cartel doesn't like what I'm doing because they cannot give me weapons when they know I'm fighting them. I'm after them and they know this. They know this and I'm after them and I'm as long as I breathe. Because I'm Alexious atasiya kumenya ndi corruption ndoti alimanda amene he's dead. Wamalira. Koma ine as long as I breathe. Injustice will always be something that I will never tolerate, whether at a small level or at a national level. So ajina na madingo ajanda corruption. Mwene kama makonda ine nyimbo sana madingo I listen almost on a daily basis. And hamena maniziwa ineyo. I listen to passions na madingo. So as a musician he's good. But in his personal life, he is involved in the cartel. Wakuba basi. Kandi mankonda kandi bale wanu kandi girlfriend wanu kandi boyfriend wanu kandi amuna wanu kandi mwana wanu kandi akazi wanu ngatalu wakuba basi. Kandi musician notamenti mankonda ngatalu wakuba peses na madingo wakuba. He's part of the cartel. Ineo peses na madingo cannot face me. I can tell him mubange organize. I'm challenging you. You should organize a debate between me and Patience on what is the solution to fix the country. Ngeti zakambirana ini Patience zakao azabeka for some mtemena Patience ngama encourage zungu tomveka. He is good at communication. Mwita neni Patience na madingo panga organize independently. I'm challenging the media team, I'm challenging my influencers. Bring Patience na madingo and meet to Jankuli. Koma olo muta kutenga wina nesa amenikateo kama mdalia ndani. Kamutenga Chief Justice. I should have a one-on-one with the Chief Justice live on media. Azikamba zao zopepera sija kumangoji. Not with me. Not to Malawi. Antu msamamvera antu. You are failing to run the judiciary. What are you saying? What the heck? Iweyo nzikamanda. Desmond Nzikamanda. You are the deal for himself. Someone is a ziko na mawe. You can't run a judiciary. But masala ukungolandira. Malawansi ungolandira. Kulende jigali moto because of our tax. Ungoyanganira tianyamara nako tajina lafu muchikopa mbava zazikulu kumalawi kuchangati kuli mbava mu Africa muchatikayangana mbava yaikulu ama come top 5 chikopa ndi munthu wakuba kwambiri. I don't know what you don't see. Ndi munthu wene oti vena akamaenda umachita kuona kuti munthu uyu ndi chigawe ngati. Now let's not lose sight of the conversation. Namiwa akuyenera kutuluka. You know, it's not even discussion. And musadikire sura apite ku Kodi. Ku Kodi akatani ku Kodi. You should go and demand Namiwa should be out. There's no reason Namiwa should be in jail. That's what I'm saying. Musama segerezi we are didikire ku Kodi lake litwe mene mukudikirira. What court? What is the law? Here disadini malamulo ndi ati malamulo ndikuti namadingo atu Namiwa atulukeka. Namadingo sakamanga banje. You know? Anthu angati ameti na achula nkhani ya Amalis Hotel. Munanga Amalis Hotel sana mangidwe faja. Malawians, you're very stupid. You inyondi nuzisiru zoteratu because Yusufu munanga wa Shiraz Yusuf anakubira 90 billion. He stole 90 billion and he's walking free. Amangoyenda mbamba. anakubera 90 billion yoti soyochita kuziwika yoenda mabanki suti inachita kupita kuti ana cash inaenda mbanki through FDH banki muno wake wakubaso. You know, so why is Yusuf not so that's why I'm saying amalawi panopa muzisonkhana maybe kuyankhulana muziyankhulana ndine mukuyenda muzipita amene muli kulilongwe mene muli pa live ngati muli pa live muli pa TikTok ya on Facebook muzimvera mukupita mukakwere basi kakwere ni mini bus as we are speaking muzipita kujani upolisi kumene amanga na ujeni na miyo fuka atimanga tonsetu we have all been arrested. That's what we don't see. Ngati munthu akunena kuti iniyo mukuba account for the money ndawo kumanga atimanga tonse kaya akumanga our future young people. They are arresting your future. Now musangane na miyo uja, forget about Namiwa, forget about his weaknesses, forget about his madili ani madili ake ni maziwa ino madili taasisi yeni zimezo panopa iuja kumanga kuja is a symbol of arresting our future. They are arresting accountability, they are arresting responsibility, they are arresting the law. Musaone Namiwa, you should look at the symbol of arresting Namiwa. Ndikukukazikani jete nose mukade ndinane na kunena kuti I've always told you kunena kuti hey iwe sukubweresa umboni bwanji maona munthu muonena kuti amanga na Namiwa. So you want me to come to Malawi. Namiwa wangu achula magazi awiri and magazi ake ona kuti anchipani mwake fana Namiwa ndo DPP zisizo bisai. He has been with DPP, ABM ndizake, Namiwa amapita ku State House, angagwira ntchito ku State House. Ngati sumaziwa zimezi Namiwa amagwira ku State House first term ya ABM. Ndi amanga amene ndikamangila amene abwere ku Malawi, imani kuti ndibwere ku Malawi. Hey, bwera uzaka kuti what do you want? Mumafuna chani? What do you background? No, people anasaka mankani ya background. King LJ waka mankani ya background. And how ambirate? You're very limited in your thinking. Mumaganiza mobelewera. Background, what is background? Background is to sidoti. When they say background, sidoti. It's not the doti la kumalawi within the ground. Ground is platform that you are able to make change. There's no one in Malawi that has caused a lot of movement and made a lot of difference and shaken the system on corruption like Alexious Kamangila has done. Ndio mukane nekuti ubwere background pake so bad. Ineyo palibe munthu amene anazuka kumalawi kuja kamene anaima pa nkhani ya corruption ndikunena kuti corruption imayenda chonje anthu awawo kutera kuti ngati ineyo mu history ya Malawi. This is not even joke. And when people say, hey, umafuna attention, I've got all the attention of the country, guy. What do you mean? What do you mean when you say I want attention? Which other attention? The world, the country. If I make this live, Mungo Banga live, and to 189 on TikTok are joiner, and I'm not that good with TikTok, I've just joined TikTok. You know, if 300 people can join my live on Facebook, Mama, I'm on my platform, my smartphone, I'm now therefore, what attention do you think I need? I have got all the attention. If I was looking for attention, I would just sit down. People have, do you know that other countries have written about me? If you want to hide something from Malawi, people have written articles, peer reviewed. Peer reviewed article. People have written. You should go on Google Scholar. Mugabange check Alexious Kamangila corruption. Mugabeza article. People have read already in 2026. They are writing about what Kamangila is doing. Attention seeking. What attention? What attention? You know, I speak all this not to be proud, because I realize that the work that I'm doing is not for me. It is for He who has sent me to do this work. But also it is for you. It is also for my children. It is also for my family. The best way to help your kids is to fight corruption, guy. It's not the savings that you're putting in your account. If my savings are managed, within 2 years, 5 years, there will be nothing. So the best way to secure your children's future is to fight corruption. This is deep in the conclude. Bayete, you might have something to say, and then Pido, be prepared so that you can close before I call it a day.
Okay.
All right,
Thank you very much, Mr. Kamangila, for this platform. I'm sorry, I'm not a very good public speaker. I'm speaking on TikTok for the first time.
Don't worry. Young people, speak as you can speak. Don't worry.
Okay, so I think for me the thing with Malawi is that we say we are a functioning democracy, but I don't think we're a democracy on the ground. I think we are a democracy on paper, but not on the ground.
Yeah.
Because the basic meaning of democracy is that the power to govern should come from the people.
Yeah.
It's a government of the people, by the people, and for the people.
Yeah.
That means that each and every policy that you have as a government should revolve around the people. All the laws, the constitution should be in favor of the people, not the other way around. So in Malawi, I think the case is different. If anything, if there's a system of government in Malawi, it's something that I can call an ineptocracy. A government that is led by people that are not competent. See, for example, how do you take people like Chisale to be in charge of the ministries that they're in charge of?
Security.
Can you imagine? You take people like Chisale, and then when they go out, they are treated like gods or deities. You know, the respect that they get. When did they end that kind of respect? What did they do?
Yeah.
To be so respected by so many people in the country? It doesn't make sense to me. But personally, I think I have to thank you, Mr. Kamangila, because of what you do. I think you have nothing to lose. You have your life well set up. You are educated. You have a degree. You are a practicing lawyer, for that matter. If you don't speak, you're still gonna eat. You know. You're fighting not for you. You're fighting for other people that don't have the ability to fight. And unfortunately, the same people that you're fighting for are those that are throwing stones at you. It's pathetic because they have to be praising you. Instead, they're trying to ridicule you. They don't give you the respect that you deserve. The respect that they give to Chisale should be given to you. I don't think Chisale has ever fought for anyone as hard as you have done. There's not so many people in the country that have made a lot of change, as much change as you've made in terms of like mindset, opening people's eyes. People just don't care. As long as they're able to eat at home, they don't care. They don't think. Malawians don't know why they don't know why they deserve. That's the problem. You see, they normalize things that are not normal. They settle for less because they don't know what exactly they deserve. They think the government belongs to a certain political party. They don't know that the government belongs to them. So it's hard really to convince them to actually see the good in what you do. So yeah, you know, in Malawi also another problem is that the people that have the ability to change the country don't have love for the country.
Yeah.
And the people that have love for the country don't have the ability to change the country. That's a very sad situation there.
Wow.
We only have like specific individuals like you, for example. You have both. You have both the ability and the love. So you are a crystal of hope in terms of darkness. I have to thank you for that. And I really wish like a lot more people could join the boat, because this is the boat of life. But unfortunately, people don't care. People don't care about the country. People just think about them and their families. If you give them something to eat today, they don't care about what is happening in the broader society. So it's really hard. I feel sorry for you, man. Like you have to be. If there was someone else like in your situation, I think they would have given up a long time ago. Because it's one thing to fight somebody who is strong and they're fighting your heart, but then when you are getting this abuse from people that you're fighting for,
it's a different game altogether.
But that should be very painful, and I feel sorry. Like the people that you're trying to make a way for a person.
Bayete, let me hold you a little bit. Don't feel sorry for Alexious Kamangila. Alexious Kamangila has done a commendable job. Alexious Kamangila, the job that he was given is to whistleblowing. Do you understand the meaning of whistleblowing? Right now, Alexious Kamangila can keep quiet. You should be worried about Malawians. The Malawi minister Alexious Kamangila is good. God has blessed him, his children, his 4th generation, his mother. They are blessed because he has done the commendable job. We saw him nampasa Mulungu. Wauza Malawi suga. Na Malawi sama mutiwa Mulungu kuta zabwera bwanji. Alinyima wamnena kuti ya Malawi Mulungu azabwera ngati mbala. Zose zijama iwala. Alexious Kamangila kumutu kuwana 24/7/365. But yet they're waiting. Kumapita churches every Sunday. I'm going to Chandizeni. I'm going to Chandizeni. Mulungu akwatu nizila antu acha. Akwatu kuwana antu acha. So also mumve Chisale Alexious Kamangila. He's good. Chambere thought Malawi. I wanted to correct you there. You can go ahead.
I'm also Christ to kuti museveri soni ne muziveri soni no yondana.
But go ahead. That's pedo for you. Go ahead.
Yeah, so I think the situation, as I've said, is very difficult. But this is what I can say to Malawians: the fight that they're trying to avoid right now, they're leaving it for their children. That's the sad part of it. They're not going to fight right now because they're cowards. They have no courage. They have a lot of fear. They don't want to fight. That fight they're leaving behind for their children. The children are going to inherit this fight. Just as a child can inherit wealth. If you don't fight to actually fix the problem that you have as a country, you are leaving those problems for your children. Because that fight will have to be fought one way or the other. It's either you or your children. If you are a parent and you love your children, you'd rather die than have your children die. Yeah, that's actually common sense.
Exactly.
I'd rather die for my child than have my child die for me.
Yeah.
You see that? Yeah. So the things that are happening in that country are very pathetic. The people that speak so much about the country, most of them are just fine. Their lives are good. They're working outside the country. They are able to pay their bills. But then you see people that have nothing, that should be like in the forefront fighting for the country, and they're doing nothing. Instead, they're throwing stones at people that are fighting for the country. Yeah. It's very sad. And as Peter said, I have to feel sorry for Malawians, me inclusive. I'm not a good fighter. I don't think I fight a lot. But people have the ability to fight. They just don't want to fight because they're cowards. You know, they're cowards. Imagine awumanga muntu ona kuti awathandiza analinga umbali kuti iwo awine.
Big time.
Yeah.
APM is the answer. Ankaiza kachizungu konena kuti APM is the answer.
That's the system. So I don't know. Malawi is a very. I know my was but Malawi is a very specific case, to be honest. But we don't want to do that. We're okay suffering. We're okay being a country so pathetic. We don't want to fix anything at all. There's no war in the country. So peace is a very important commodity. If you want to fix a country, peace is a very important commodity. We have it in abundance in Malawi. We don't use it. Democracy, we don't use the things that we have. So it's sad, but yeah. My main point is to thank you, Mr. Kamangila, for being, a glimmer of hope. These times are very difficult for the country, and you're always there. Madam Pira, Marunigira, Kare, Idemanso, Tukuna Munga, the Kentamaso, for example, one as many, Masuano Singer was one of the Zambia is many, Simazona, Torino Mazona, then myself, another bring and the knowledge, and now tell one of them now own as a tool. Mugrozi corruption, and I consider Malawi 20, for example. I mean, I'm a courageous. We don't waste and Haramba would rule. My choice coming here. I feel so. What are they also the guys doing? What did they study law for? Yeah, like for lawyer, I'm not going to interpret Malamo. Okay, Lamo, bring Lamo, is seeing away the judge. Is seeing away the is seeing away it. Mara, I live on Malandi in me, but I do nothing about it. It's a very sad thing for me to see my country go through. And I hope that we're going to have more Kamangilas in the future, because we need more of you guys. That's my prayer, actually. We just need to have more of Kamangilas. I mean, I'm going to be Tandize. Ukianjile mamo ukireno. Fapanoka, chiro endenda ehuru. Komana tukutoka zanuti, mnaiga moyo wangu wajo kezo. Yeah? Mwina ana wangu wajo kezo. Uri goma ikarilo Malawi kwa zabe zuru uite mwana wanga Mangira. Sanga mpata chiro mwana wangu. So you're risking the careers of your children, even the future generations. But for who? For us. What are we doing? So I just want to encourage you. You're doing so great, and I think this is a calling. Prophet somebody thinks that wow, that is it. Is minutes. My gonna get a breeding a job. Could put it on then I got a root and I'm a candidate so run was on a I'm a support. I'm someone use there. I'm gonna marry another Charlie cake. I'm talking support. But that's always on the way. Malawi and Bodel, I'm from wanena, from Nkhani, we have a ground. I don't know the ground. The woman out here. That's the problem. Yeah, I want to get a very woman out here. And I'm in background. As you said, it's a platform and everyone with a shield to achieve a certain end. That's the ground for you. Yeah? So on what grounds are you arresting the person? Someone in the background for me out here. People don't get it. I'll be a background. Come from a woman of a seafood. I don't get it. Alright? It's pathetic, but I have to thank you, Mr. Kamangila, for what you're doing. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much, Bayede, and for your humility. Sam, you are next, yes. There was Sammy. Before
my brother goes, I mean, one point. Sorry, Muhammad.
Go ahead, Muhammad.
One point, which someone have even asked. I don't know if this one is hater, chiyani cancel. I think I've been seeing the comment of him over and over again. He keep on saying, who is Kamangila? Who is Kamangila? So I want to answer him, right? Because, and when I got my conversation, because I'm a sianisa kungo banga na follow ba social media page, because I've seen someone say, if you kumeni go with the background, then background mabangajani, unazoti sindikuona vuto. Muntura mene wanomo. I would say go na voodoo. Now nimafusa momwe. That's why nango this year. I think this head is dead panja. Now, wafusa wino wago mfani muyanke. And ndiya kamojenji. Ogalenga Bible. Bible is in the book la Malamula. That's why I love this book kwambiri. So you become more wiser. Ogalenga Bible, Amos chapter 3, verse 5. Kwambira verse 5 kulegeza 7. I want you to pay attention. I made Alexious Kamangila Ndi Nani. Now this is the answer. Bayet, can you mute your mic? I'm feeling the feedback. Sorry, my brother. If you can mute your mic, Bayet.
Yeah, that's okay. Wabanga mute.
All right, thank you. So here's the thing. It says, can a bird fell in a snare upon the earth where no gain is for him? Shall one take up a snare from the earth and have taken nothing at all? Shall a trumpet blow in the city and the people not be afraid? Shall they be evil in the city and the Lord have not done it? Surely the Lord God will done nothing but reveal his secret unto his servants, not unto lawyer. I'm not taking Alexious as a lawyer, but it's a servant that has been sent to you dummies. You dummies, the walking zombies, so that you understand that there is something that is ahead. You know, what you're expecting is a distraction. Because the most I have done his part, okay? I cannot use Bushiri to warn these people because it's in the same cartel. I cannot use this and that. It's the same people. But let me use this person. But just nevertheless, we'll sit down one day and say, so-called Kamangila. Think of say, who are you, Kamangila? So Kamangila is not ordinary. He's an extraordinary. He's a servant. He's serving the office of up high there. One day you know it, unless otherwise. One day you know it. Let's live. Let's pray for life. One day you know it. Thank you so much, Council.
Well, thank you very much. Thank you so much. I have nothing useful to add. And Bayede unakamba point inayo ndi yanka kama Muhammad you were burning, so over to you, Muhammad.
Yeah. Yes, Council.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead. Muhammad, yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, kumaliza pensheni. Lero likamata kukamata a president apanga lishapo cabinet yao nduna zonsezi zimene zili involved kuma blackness. Lero zikapezeka kumene kuti Namiwa. 1 2 makuku construction ukukuba na president company ya Chinese imene ikubera Malawi imene ikumangira ndosolongosoka ya CR20 and one day ndikupepe muzaipange export this company ya CR20 imene ikuwina ma contract ambiri koma timene akumanga substandards as if kuti ife siti kufuna zinthu zabwino kumalawi kunoku koma kumadi apa huge billions and billions of kwachazi koma kuti mangira zinthu zosalongosoka amalawi kumangosekerera kumene zikupangidwa and we need one day mzabange export kuti amene wakuti zikulama lidziwe kunena kuti company iyi sinabwera kuthandiza kuti itimangire misewu koma itibere chuma chakho azikamanga manyumba upstairs kwako kwa my sister Pido I love you ndipo mupitirize zimene I think one day if kusamba manja kwa Malawi kuti ambuye Mulungu kuti kwasambira manja Malawi amene ali wogona amene tikuyenda tili wokufa kulolera Namiwa kuti akagone ku polisi pamene amene amayenera kukagona ku polisi ndi nduna zimene zimene zamba zikutibera zikumba zikupanga giremu ena amaenda ndi paipulo azife kuti ndiwoyera koma mukayang'ana kukhalidwe lawo. These very, very dirty people. My appeal to the president. Mupanga Reshuffle cabinet on sewa. Amena akuzidwa. Please. Achoka cabinet yanu amangidwe akayange zimene atipangira Malawi. Amalawi anakhulupiria inu tanakhulupiria Chisale. Amalawi anakhulupiria inu tanakhulupiria inu Mukito. Amalawi anakhulupiria inu tanakhulupiria ena wonse amene akuzungulia nyaja. Please. By then ineo nda meneno mugenda kuzanka kwa Malawi amene anakukhulupiria. Lana tani kusia boyi power amene mwapanga hayawa kuti azitibera kuti azitizuza apitiriza kutizuza amene akutuzuzira mu history will judge you.
Thank you very much, Muhammad, and thank you so much, Muhammad, because and by it maybe mukuza bezega majoga or something, and King LJ wajoga komandimva, because it's rare to have people interested in a topic and in Malawians, an issue concerning Malawians, but it's so rare people randomly to join a conversation and to be very eloquent like that. So it impresses me, you know. You guys have been saying thank you, Kamangila, and all that. But for me, I want to thank you for this amazing eloquency. For this, it's very good for me, by the way, to learn to listen to other people. But I don't want to listen to stupid conversations. I don't want to listen to stupid people. That's the problem. Sometimes people think I don't want to listen. I want to listen, but I want to listen to intelligence. I want to listen to reality, not fake things and all that. So thank you so much, Bayeji. Thank you so much, Muhammad, and thank you, King LJ. And when you were saying that, you said something, and I just wanted to tell you that don't worry about me. For me, I get a lot of satisfaction when I live my truth. Everyone was created for a purpose. No one was created for nothing. I'm living my purpose, and that's the biggest success you can have in life is to live your purpose. No matter how much money you can make, no matter how much women you can have, no matter how much how many cars you can have, no matter whatever, no matter how many praises you get, if you don't live your purpose, umakala empty. That's why King Solomon said, there's no satisfaction under the sun. Our pursuits have to be to God. And when you're pursuing God, what is pursuing God? It's pursuing the purpose. It's not Zoma bitan fasting for 1 month. That's not pursuing God. It is good to be disciplined and all that, and to have that aspect of to be disciplined in the name of God. But it's beyond that. When Jesus was resurrected, yesterday I was speaking to a certain group where we pray together. I was saying when Jesus was resurrected. By the way, Pido is not a random person. People think Pido is random. He's not. Any movement in the world, Pamakara, a woman that is a pillar to that movement. Whether appointed or was banga appointed, was Pido that's banga appointed, mapanga follow everything that I do. People think, Pido ndiwe Kamangila ndiwe relationship yanji, kapena mazwana moda. I've never met Pido. Pido has never met me. We don't like, but she just saw what I'm doing, and Pido was like, this is it. And you don't understand. Pido says so many things. People think, there are so many things that Pido tells me. You know, where I have now to say, Pido, we didn't invest in I can become proud. You know, and that's what I have to work on in this life. But why am I mentioning Pido? Because Mugamba's resurrection. Do you know the first person to talk about the resurrection? I mean, I'm speaking with recognizing that the followers are also Muslims and all that, and that's what. But I'm speaking about my faith. Pido, when I'm talking about the resurrection, oyambirira okamba zoti Yesu wauka analitu mamalia awiri, Mary, amene ambuye sana nchiza from mental illness, ndi Mary, mother of James, ndi Salome. Azimayi atatu amene anapita ku manda ambuye Yesu. Ndi amene anaziwa koyambirira kuti Yesu wauka. There's something about women. Beyond that, do you know that the ministry ya ambuye Yesu, that ministry kunali azimayi amene amayenda ndi ambuye Yesu, and they were the ngamene Yesu Kamangidwa atagwidwa anaenda naye kutoka kumene anamanga mpaka nakafika naye kugula mpaka na Yesu amamalizika. Maria anali pambali pake, ndi azimayi Martha, ndi Salome, ndi Mary. So there's something about women. If you go ku Malawi kuja mucheke mukapita ku maliro, a majority amakhala women. Mukapita ku chipatala, the majority that are taking care of the sick will be women. If you go to prison, the majority that are there will be women. If you go to church, any church you go to, the majority will be women. If you go to prison, and there will be women. If you go to a funeral, there's something about women. You can't do any movement without women. And so I'm also calling to say, women, God, okay, the thing is, azmai, they have a discernment that they have. I think by their nature. This is why even the boyesa jipaso chicha. You know, mungama abasa kuzindikira kwazindikira kwa kumenenga lisumugulisa bwino ntchito. If you know the whole woman, this is why ndimamfusa king LJ kuti mkazi wako anatani. You know, mkazi wako, because women, they see things. They see things. Even when you have a girlfriend, if you have a wife, ukakumana iwe nyamata umata umajeza ninsika na usaziwa ninsika na ndodani. Of course, this is not an excuse for men to find themselves in awkward situations. But women see. Uguza liwe. Amene wai. Inu bai. Kodi don't see majeza ni muntu. Amene wai. Kodi ne amata ukufusori. Kodi ne sumajeza ndi sinanenebo za winalese. Women see. So there's something that we talk about, and it's I know that you're speaking from your heart in terms of your concern, but you should not worry about me, because I'm living my purpose. I'm living my purpose, and this is my purpose. Issue of justice, more than they don't want to talk about me. And I mean, because they think kuti andipopa kapena andibanga, but people know there's nothing new about me. What is happening in 2026 is what was happening when I was in primary, when I was in secondary school, when I was in college. This has been me. There's nothing new. It's just that I've just, ndango kula. I've just been growing. Mwina ndango sintamalo kuda I'm no longer in Malawi. I'm and all that. So tisaiwale ko. Tatiye musade namiwa kumenai, namiwa atuluke. Then Muhammad wabolesa ko ina yone the president akwena atani achose cabinet. Apange reshuffle. Kuba president ali moyo. When I say ali moyo, kuti iziye will run this government. If you had to go in the bank, the fagenda banga ko, the president apange press briefing ya 2 hours and above. Acheze ni ma aturankani. Ndipo aturankani akapita kumene kwa akapanga sozopusa tia tiraso show aturankani. If aturankani, they are part of the cartel. The majority of these journalists are part of the cartel. Before I end, I'm conscious kuti sitinga kalepa nopa basi 3 hours, 4 hours. Kumango yangu kuna ndeo diso siti kulimbikisa, kuzilimbikira, tukulimbikisa umphawi, tukulimbikisa ulesi. So I need to be conscious of that. So Bido, can you conclude so that then we can call it a day? Thank you.
Thank you. Ntokoze kwajana kuti if Malawi ngati chikuenika kukhala ma platform ngati anuwa chifukwa chana kuti civic education inachosedwa ndi ndimaona ngati kuti chimene just chinapha kwambiri Malawi. We need civic education back, and we don't. This is the civic education we need, because you took a while, you have to understand. chimene ninganene kwa mtundu wa Malawi ndicho nina kuti ambiri amabwera mu comment section kumati bwerani background bwerani kwakuti ndimango wapasa one of the stories imene inachitika ku Omani amalawi amene amagulitsidwa kuchoka Malawi under their watch polisi yawo chani anakazindikira ndi ndani in America. So it's not about where you are, it's about you doing the right thing, holding everyone accountable amene mwakhala. So Malawi amene abwera kuzakuzuzula iwe kuba si amene uchanda amene amakukonda amene amabwera kuzandoya kupangira nsanja amene uchanda amene akukupha. If you are people of the real God-fearing country, because if you understand who is God, God is love. Mukapita kuchurch mukamawerenga Bible every Sunday you are in church, but you are criminals in the offices. Mukawerenga Bible imene usadani. Those are the things that you practice. Now ifeyo tikabwera nkumaya nkula chonji. You think kunena kuti ifeyo ndi banthu oti ayi mitu yathu sikugwira ntchito, mitu sikugwira ntchito ndi inuyo amene mungodikira kuti mupasire image. Kwa munthu pamoyo wa munthu tuna ndikuzeni. Pamoyo wa munthu sikuti mu nsima yokha ndi imene kwenika. Timakhala 24 hours. 24 hours all you look at ni nsima yokha. How about your children? Mukaganizira jana nanu amene akubadwa mukaganizira jana. So anthu amene akuba kuti bela government komanso you should understand kuti anthu amene aja then government to save Malawians. That's what they say akamnyama ma Bible. So mukamanina una kuti kwera wewe uzapanga mja ayiwa aja limene mujati kwalipira kani. Ndeti kuwauza zoti azichita because pomalo ndife yanthu. Ngati akukuya pangelizai na choke, they must get out of our offices because those offices are for Malawians. And those Malawians are speaking. They have to listen. If I get mukona ku South Africa, Malawi chamangisidwa ngati Nyerere ndikumabwerera ku Malawi. So you wonder what you did against them. It's because they want to fix their country. So Malawians are also supposed to rise up and fix their country.
Thank you very much, Pido, for your dedication and for also Samaz Benantama and Kulama Kutukwana Matani. We appreciate and we will be praying for you. Menen Makambazaji's election, Nangokambazaji na Salome and the two Marys. Kuma point many Nisana Nisina Malize in the thought why I brought the resurrection of Jesus. What did he do? He did not just stay mbali mama ndamuja. Ananyamuga kumaendera opunzira kumaonekera ena munyumba muja ena ku Emmaus nse opira ku Emmaus kuma anauza so message anauza kuti nyamugani tipite kuchani tikakumane ku Galileya, you know, anauza kuti tikakumane ku Galileya. So when we talk about spirituality and when we talk about kupemphera kapena kupemphera sikungokhala basi nchali chimuja kapena kungokhala kumphiri kukapembeza mukakumane ndi Yesu ku Galileya. What does it mean to meet Jesus in Galilee? Meeting Jesus in Galilee is acting on your Christianity, you know, serving the poor, helping the poor, and fighting corruption is helping the poor. He tries to save the country from corruption and from poverty. You can't have economic development and economic sustainability with corruption. You can't have economy onena kuti anthu atatu and four ndamena kuipanga manage. Anthu ochepa ndamena kuipanga manage kuipanga they manipulate kwacha jama ipanga manipulate kuti igwe few people. We can't have an economy in that country. Dziko limene jalo lili pansese ili pansese tima yaboka atero yaboka ili pansese. That's where Malawi is. Kwacha anthu ena ake awiri atatu achina mpinganjira achina ndandani achina Monsoa Karim achina Abu Faza Abu amwenye amene ndi vindalama zoti sinyo simungamvesa anthu olemera koma ndalama zake kuberani inuyo, you know, achina Sata ani masata alipo angapo tu Sata si mmozi mwe amene ali ku UK kumalawi kuli masata awiri amene ndikwaziwa ineyo amene akupitizabe kuba amene amachuka uja kuti Sata wagese amene akumangidwa ndi anthu ndi wina. So you know, achina Apostle Clifford Kawinga chimbava chogwisa ntchito Bible. Apostle Clifford Kawinga ndi mbava achina baba mulonde anthu amene mmapembeza Ayuba James ndi pati yakateo ndi mbava. Ayuba James is a criminal. Ndikankhula jonjo ukumpangira asante wewe ukutani background. Ayuba James 4 weeks ago amakamba kumalimba pa Facebook bag kuti akupita ku constituency kake kukatenga chinyamala kuti atumize kuikisayo. Mukumbukira nkhani imene amayuza public private institution. The Israelites have come out kuti the only relationship they have yobweresa anthu mziko mwawo ndi with government sizi kuwakuza private. So it's basically human trafficking basically, or we can say kuti something else akin to human trafficking koma chimene chili chophwanya malamulo kwagulisa anthu aja. You know, and we are watching, and this person goes to parliament. So what kind of parliament do we expect? And Suleiman, the speaker, Suleiman, and how many agayankhula hey, we are thandiza Suleiman ndi mbava. Suleiman analandira ndalama kuchokera ku institution yokuza za fertilizer, imapanga za fertilizer. You know, I'll write the post clearly because ukamaya mkula chimakhaja pita basi. Institution imeneyo pakali panopa kuli mwana wake wa Suleimaniyo umboni ndi ukwanira ndipo analandira ndalama cash. Mukamaona kuyankhula zija kuyankhana chifukwa choti chionera kuti mu DPP muchakumenya naso kulimbirana chani memo. Ino akulimbirana ndo memo kuti zimene zikuchitika. Mukamaona kuti even kuti Namiwa imanira kuti ndi wa DPP sono zukamwa memo wavuta ku DPP kuja alisa afuna ateme mbamu yaikulu, alisa afuna atenge pisi ya chicken eka asagawane ndi azinzake. Mukuba mwaomo osewa ndi anthu oyipa. Suleiman oyipa. Cabinet imejaa ndiola. There's maybe 1 or 2 people that you can mention good and how at least saku, you know. Ineyo ndiseke ndimaonena kuti sititopa sitifoka ndipo sitingaope sitinayambe podaopa moyo mwathu ndipo sizingayambe lero. Namiwa should come out. Mukantulusise ndipo sizonse tikudikira failo kala janjanjani atuluke. Namiwa chifukwa chimene ali kundende ndi chani chimene akulikhalira kuti wagoneranji kusewa. Why is Namiwa in this? Why wagoneranji? Why issue is udite abamene babaso we. Chifukwa chimene chikufunikira kuti Namiwa ujatuluke. It's not even for Namiwa. Tikamanya kuti Namiwa atuluke sudi fe tukunkonda Namiwa. Tukuma we are against police state. Tukudana ndikunena Namiwa utaka kuti bena nchito. Zimene kupa ndukumemani inu Malawi. Ngakhale niyo Namiwa muli bena nchito. Ngakhale madana naye inu MCP ngakhale muli bena nchito. You should fight for Namiwa to be this for yourselves. Chifukwa ngati they will get away with this. Inu MCP mukuona ngati kuti akumangati mbwa. Inu anyamata azikwanje ina anu azibale anu amanyamula azikwanje kumathamangisa. Ndi mukuona ngati niyo muli safe. Ngati Namiwa amene niyo munankwapula ndi zikwanje. Kumangidwaso ndi boma limene. Ndi mukuona ngati niyo muli safe. Let us rise up before it's too late. Before it's too late. Zisana fike pa mwana wakanaphala. Mazi asana pange asana tantani katondo. Mazi asana fike nkhosi. Tiyeni tizukire tutipange zimene tingapange. Ndipo ndikubwereza kunena kuti you the Asian community amene mwakhala mukubera Malawi, we will take back those properties. Tikukuziwani malandi onse janjanjani kamuona ngati mwagulisa ina yake motane tisala ndabe amene mwagulisa ifati kuziwa there not be any transfer. So malo ngati IDL yana aina Chisale watu manyumba amene akumangawo ma building amene akumangawo so tilimbana nanu tisatenga malo amene kulilongwe ni manena ine I challenge kulilongwe kujefu watu do a lifestyle audit. Half of the buildings they will belong to government and andinda amazakuba majority of people in Lilongwe they can't explain their worth. Jama zimene amalandira zimene ali nazo too much zimene ali nazo sangazi photocopies. So I'm calling upon kuti tikhale very very specific and bold in what we are demanding. So my Asians okuba singakusekereni ngamune oni xenophobia go ahead koma mucho kadziko lathu. It's just a matter of tingokochana bwinobwino tukonzana ndipo ku military kumusamaoneka kuti ku military kutibe anthu ku military tindi anthu ambirimbiri. I mean asilikali ndi amene akuzunzika kaya asilikali amalandira salary bwa mukuziwa kuti asilikali amalandira junior officers amalandira palibe ndi anthu ovutika. Asilikali akumalanda ndi anthu opanda kanthu pamene in other countries the military imakhala ndi medical care, military imakhala ndi free education, military zimene zozo ndi zimene ndikufuna ineyo dziko limene lilisinthe kuti asilikali muzizakhala ndi free medical care. Iniyo musamaka alipire kuchipaka muzika alipire kumwayi wathu kuja. All soldiers should be treated in hospitals like kumwayi wathu. Iniyo asilikali iniyo asilikali mmainira kunena kuti ngati mukufuna ka school simunapange school mwagwira ntchito muzipasidwa mwayi wopita ku university free. Boma lizilipira inu mfane ninu anthu inu katundu wa boma ndiye katundu wa boma amachokera pamene panopa sinu katundu wa boma atu asilikali salary imene mukulandira mukhala bwanje katundu wa boma. So when I demand end to corruption azibwana anuwo ma chief, the chief of the army, ma generals, ma brigadier akujira ni masuku pamutu. They are the ones that have been building houses in area 43 kujanja. They were supposed to be running the military properly. Oseaja, ma brigadier, ma janja. They are criminals. So military, police, wakujia ni allowance anu. There are so many problems that I know. Ndingo kukumbusani kunena kuti ine ndikayika maso anga pa chinthu sinimachokapo. Mwafuse a second vice president anu amene ndikuwana ndiopepera Aino Kujihana anayi ndi mavuto ndi asilikali awo owayang'anira kumayenda kuchitika chipolowe kumene koko. Ineyo ndamene ndawuza Aino Kujihana kuti Aino Kujihana kumene koko anthu anu akudyedwa ndalama ndi commander amene amayang'anira asika security anu. Then he fixed it. And now he disappears. And now akukhala ngati chikwangwani chimene DPP akuyuza kumpondera nacho jenasa. Chifukwa Enoch ndi wopepera. There's no two ways about it. He's stupid. He's not a leader. No, Enoch Kujihana is not a leader. And tikankhulezeza ndani na iye chifukwa choti ndi waku north. Anthu opusa inu. Enoch is stupid. Kodi, what was the role imene Enoch Kujihana anapasidwa ndi APM? Simesa inayo manga Mombera University. Where is the Mombera? How is the progress of Mombera? Anthu aku north mumasekerera zinzopusa mumakomedwa ndi kungomona kuti anthu akwitu basi mtima wanu wasika. We need real development. Osama unkhala lip service. Ineyo system ndikuiziwa ndipo I know what's happening and I know this not on my own, but anthu amene muli background, amene muli ku Malawi, amene muli, when I say background I mean a different ground that I am in, because I in background koma it's a different ground altogether, and it's fine. We can't all be on the same ground. Ndipo bakhala chipolo wika. My whistleblowers continue giving the information, and the information panopa izikhala more modified because ndimalandira information yambiri. Information ina ndikakhauri sina ibange attend to. Sukuti ndikupanga ulesi kamena kuti ndikunyalani kuma chifukwa is too much. And information musamandi pasi ya person. Ndimalize ndi mawu awo. Amalawi musiye kumandiuza nkhani za inuyo za person kuti mwalimbana ndi abwana anu mukupanga za inuyo. Muzindiuza nkhani ngati zili za inuyo zikhaliso ndi impact to the general population, to anthu ambiri kugulu. Osamandiuza nkhani yoti basi neyo zikala kulephera kugona ndikupanga za inuyo. Zimene ziso ndizauti tsiru ndikaganizira kopusa kuonera kuti mukakhala ndi milandu yanu ya person muzindiuza ine Kamangira pali nkhani ine I'm doing things za dziko zinthu zopanga affect community za mudzi wanu, zinthu zimene zikupanga affect mudzi bwerani, zinthu zimene zikupanga affect community yanu, yes, zinthu zimene zikupanga affect kuntchito koma kuntchito kugulu osati munthu mmodzi. Ambuye atidalise atiyang'anire ndikutiteteza muzonse mzina Atate ndi la Mwana ndi la Mzimu Woyera. Ulemu ukhale pa Atate ndi kwa Mwana ndi kwa Mzimu Woyera, monga panali poyamba tsopano ndi masiku onse ndi nthawi zosatha. Mzina Atate ndi la Mwana ndi la Mzimu Woyera. We might not meet today again because I'm tired, but if it comes good I need to speak, I'll speak. God bless you all.
Kumbukirani kupanga subscribe to our channel Malawi News Daily Update kuti nkhani zochitika ku Malawi zisamakuphonyeni.